Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hidayat. This time I will configuration address list in firewall filter. This is address list is a feature in Migratic that serves to indicate a certain IP address into a name. And this is a name we create for the configuration firewall filter rule. And this is I'm using topology 1 client, 1 router, and 1 internet. And this is configuration I'm using change input because I will drop packet in client address list for to router. The step configuration, open in Migratic or open your inbox and remote your router using MAC address and click connect. And next, the first configuration identity for router. Type system identity set name add node and click enter. And this is you can see identity router success your change, which is add node. And next, configuration IP address for client. Take interface print. This is I'm using interface attribute for the connect to client. This is create IP address for client. Type IP address at address 192.168.10.1/24 and interface address 3. And next, configuration check your configuration at grid. Type IP address print. This is you can see IP address at grid using IP 192.168.10.1/24 for interface at 3. And next, configuration IP address in client. Click open network and settings. And next, click change adapter option. This is interface Ethernet and click properties. And this is your choice internet protocol version 4. And next, this is you can see file IP 1 network or James network in client using 192.168.10.2 and default gateway your field IP in router 192.168.10.1 and this is your node DNS server and click OK and click OK and test connection laptop to router. Click Windows R and open CMD. And this is your test using ping to the gateway. This is ping 192.168.10.1. This is the result reply. And next, the reply. This is your router, your laptop success connect to router. And next, configuration address list. Type IP firewall address list at list. This is list the name address list and this I'm using name block change input and this is using and next address. This is IP address or I will drop IP address 192.168.10.0 and until IP 192.168.10.20 and click enter and check the result configuration. Type IP firewall address list print, and this is the list name, block change input, and address. This is address 192.168.10.10 until 192.168.10.20. And greeting time, this is greeting time. The next configuration firewall filter using change input and search address using address list. Type IP firewall filter, add change input and search address list. This is using list block change input, and action, this is action drop, and click enter and check the result configuration firewall filter. Type IP firewall filter print. This is success create firewall filter using change input, action drop, and source address list is block change input. The next, test the ping to router again. Type ping 192.168.10.1. This is the result is displayed because IP in the client using IP 10.2. This is the I'm drop IP 10.10 until 10.20, and this is I'm change IP using IP 10.10 and click OK and click OK, and test again ping to router. Type ping 192.168.10.1, and this is the mistake, the request timeout, because IP 192.168.10.10 I'm dropped in the address list, and this is the IP I'm changed again to IP 192.168.10.12 and click enter and test ping again. This is the message transmit failed general failure and message request timeout because the IP 10.12 is the range IP 192.168.10.10 until 10.20. And this is configuration firewall filter using address list success. Thank you.